What's up, y'all, and welcome back to I'm Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with a new collaboration, and today we'll be doing some crochet kinky straight hair, and this hair is from Hot Braids Hair. They sent me one bundle of their crochet hair, y'all, and this is natural black going into like a honey, blonde, and brown mixture. Super pretty. Y'all know this is one of my favorite colors to wear, and this is one bundle of their crochet hair. It is 245 grams and the length is 20 inch, and they gave me what I needed to install it, which was the edge brush, comb, the crochet needle itself, and then of course the hair. Okay, y'all, so this is the braid down that I decided to do. I did like a perimeter braid, and I forgot to do one more perimeter braid where the back side of my lead out is, but either way it goes, I'm going to go ahead and place a net on my head, and I'm going to crochet the hair through the net, through my braids to make it nice and secure. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like, my perimeter braid going around, and this is what the hair looks like, when you look at it single by itself. And normally I start with the back first, but today I decided to do my front first. Pretty much I'm going to start doing my perimeter first, but I'm going to start in the front so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm just starting by crocheting the hair underneath the braid, through the net, and just looping it right on through to secure it. And doing this, y'all, is very simple, but it is a tedious process, so it is going to take you maybe an hour or two, to get it done, but it can definitely be done on yourself. And if you don't want as much leave out as I have, then you don't have to have that much leave out. If you just want to do a center part or just a side part or a flip over, whatever, you could just leave out for that much hair. But for me, because I wanted to be able to do an updo, as you see in the video, as well as a side part, I didn't want to do a middle part at all, so I just did leave out for the side, left some out to put it in a ponytail, and to be able to do me a nice little updo pin-up look. So that's how I sectioned off my leave out. But I'm just going to go ahead and continue crocheting this hair in. Like I said, I'm starting with the perimeter braid going all the way around so I can get the perimeter done, and then I will work my way in. So this is what it looks like after finishing up my perimeter. I'm just showing you guys really quick how it looks. I did the back, I did the side, and now it's time to fill in this middle section right here. So I'm going to go in and just continue to crochet that hair on in. And this hair is super full, y'all, so you don't even have to use the full bundle if you don't want to, but if you just do good placement on your crochet, you can still have a super full look. Okay, and the texture is kinky straight, so when I actually begin to style my hair, I am going to flat iron the tracks out and try to make it as straight as possible. And make sure you try to get the roots, because the roots are very curly. So you want to try to press that out as much as you can. But pretty much for the back, I'm just filling around, and I'm just going to crochet that hair in until it's all done. And after about an hour or two, this is what it looks like. I don't want to add in any more hair because I don't want to be too crazy, but this is what it looks like after I added the hair in. So now I'm going to go in and cut that net all around my leave out, and I'm going to take down my braids, flat iron my leave out, and I will begin to style it up. And I did show you guys like 3 ways I can wear my hair. Of course, in a ponytail. I'm going to show you first. I'm going to show you the ponytail before I actually press my hair out and everything like that. But I can wear it in a low bun if I want to. I can wear it in a ponytail with a bang. I can wear it as a regular side part. I can wear it as a low pony, push both sides behind my ear, which you guys will see all those styles in the video. So if you want the details to this hair, make sure you guys check out the description detail down below and use my coupon code as well to save you some coins, y'all, okay? Because y'all know hair be expensive, so save as many coins as you can. But yeah, let me go ahead and take these braids down, and show y'all my low bun. And this is the bun. Once I go ahead and put everything back, so I can wear it straight back, low bun if I want to, because I have my perimeter all out. And now I'm going to go ahead and get into actually styling it, which will be a side part. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my curved side part, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb as well as my flat iron and press out my leave out around the top. So once I finish pressing all of my leave out, then I will go in with my flat irons and press out the hair to make it more straight. But this is kinky straight hair, so it's not going to get bone straight, but it is going to be straight enough to blend in with any natural hair textures. And I'm just going to do the chase method with my comb and my flat iron, just trying to get it as straight as possible. Like I said, it is kinky straight, so it will not be bone straight, but it will be straight enough to blend in with natural texture. And if you don't know, my hair is 100% natural. I just always have it blown out, you know, and pressed out whenever I wash it. So my hair is natural, even though sometimes you can't really tell. But almost done pressing out this hair. Oh, I did finish actually. I finished pressing out this hair, so now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on doing my doing some layers in the hair, adding some curls, adding a little edge control to get my natural edges pushed back. And I didn't want like the big baby hair swoops and all of that. I didn't want it to be like super perfect, because the purpose of the crochet hair is to give natural, so I didn't want to overdo all the products. So now I'm going to go ahead and start curling up the hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks just, regular down, how it looks when I actually pull it up in a ponytail look, like a bun look, and then also how it looks if I just wore it like behind my ear, put back in a low pony. So I'm going to curl the hair up first, and then I'm going to show you guys the different looks. But like I mentioned, y'all, the goal is to make it look super natural, so you don't want to overdo it. You want it to give it like that. You want it to have like that natural blowout type of look. And I could have cut more layers, but I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. I didn't want to do too much, because I kind of want to give like, I got my hair pressed out and just add a little curl, something, nothing too crazy.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life.
And now I'm gonna go in with some, and I know it's crazy, y'all, lock and twist gel. Like, this is what I use to retwist my brother's hair. But I didn't have any more edge control, and y'all, I didn't know lock gel it's like a really good edge control. I'm talking about that thing was laid. I said, hold on, I didn't know this do all of that. Okay, so I used the lock and twist gel, y'all, and give that a try if you haven't for like your edge control, because it definitely did what needed to be done. But this is how the hair looks. So I want to do like a low pony or whatever, pull behind the ear, very natural look. And then I'm going to show you guys a nice little updo. So I'm just brushing my hair up into a ponytail, leaving down a little bang, and you could do a claw clip, you could do a bun, whatever you want to do. So I just did like a little claw clip look to show you guys. So yeah, put that thing up in a ponytail, and I'm gonna just get a little white clip that thing on there, and then show you guys a little claw clip look. Or you can also wear it as a ponytail. It's really up to you, but get creative. There go the clip, and boom. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys how I did my regular side part. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and take that down, comb my curls into place, get it back to normal, and this will be the final look. So once again, this is 20-inch crochet hair from Hot Braids Hair. Everything is linked down below in the description box. So get you some of this and do this install yourself. You don't have to pay somebody hundreds of dollars when you can just take the time to do it yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.